Welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to take control of your IT career, master Linux servers, and truly understand what it means to be a system administrator, this video is for you. Today, we're going to go deep into what it takes to become a pro Linux server administrator, from beginner knowledge all the way to advanced skills that make you stand out in the industry. So grab your coffee and let's dive right in. When we talk about Linux server administration, we're really talking about the backbone of modern IT infrastructure, from cloud computing to data centers. Almost every critical service you use daily runs on a Linux-based system: Google, Facebook, Amazon, even your favorite AI tools. That's why Linux administration isn't just a job skill, it's a career foundation. Let's start with the basics. To become a pro in Linux administration, the first thing you need is a solid understanding of the Linux operating system itself. That means knowing how the file system works, how permissions are structured, and how to navigate efficiently through the terminal. Tools like lscat, grep, find, and commod might sound simple, but mastering them gives you complete power over the system. Most beginners get overwhelmed by the command line, but once you understand that every single command is logical and structured, it becomes second nature. Next, focus on user and group management on Linux servers. Managing who can access what is critical. You'll need to know how to create, modify, and delete user accounts, manage, and implement the principle of least privilege to secure the system. Commands like useradd, password, and usermod become your daily tools. Understanding etc password and etc shadow files also helps you grasp how authentication and security tie together. Once you're comfortable with users, it's time to get into package management. Different Linux distributions use different package managers. For example, apt for Debian and Ubuntu, DNF or Yum for Fedora and or HEL-based systems, and Zypper for OpenSU. A great admin knows how to install, update, and remove software efficiently while keeping the system clean and up to date. Now, let's move to process and service management, the beating heart of Linux. Knowing how to monitor and control processes is vital. Commands like top8op, ps, and kill give you visibility into what's happening under the hood. For service management, systemtl is your best friend. Whether it's starting an Apache server, restarting a database service, or enabling something to start a boot, systemtl gives you that power. Speaking of services, networking is another crucial part. Every Linux server communicates over a network, so understanding how IP addressing, DNS, firewalls, and routing work is a must. Learn tools like IP, ifconfig, netstat, ss, nping. Understand how to configure static IPs, how to troubleshoot connection issues, and how to secure your network with UFW or file. But no Linux admin is complete without shell scripting and automation. Automation is what separates a good sysadmin from a great one. Writing shell scripts allows you to perform repetitive tasks automatically, from backups to log rotations to updates. Bash scripting, combined with cron jobs, helps you keep your systems running smoothly with minimal manual effort. Now let's talk about security, because in server administration, it's everything. You'll need to harden your system by securing SSH access, disabling root logins, using SSH keys instead of passwords, and regularly updating packages to patch vulnerabilities. Tools like fail2ban help protect your servers against brute force attacks. Firewalls, SLinux, and APermr are also essential layers of defense that every admin should learn to configure. Monitoring and logging are the next big skills. You can't fix what you can't see. Tools like Jernacto, Damesk, and VR log files help you trace issues. For advanced setups, learning Prometheus, Grafana, or Nagios gives you real-time monitoring and alerting so you can catch issues before they bring down your systems. Once you've mastered local server management, it's time to scale. Welcome to the world of cloud and virtualization. Platforms like AWS, Google Cloud, and Azure all run on Linux. Learning how to deploy, configure, and manage virtual machines, containers, and cloud resources is essential. Understanding Docker and Kubernetes is a massive plus. They read the future of modern DevOps and infrastructure automation. Of course, backups are another non-negotiable skill. You must always have a disaster recovery plan. Tools like Rink, Tar, and cron help automate your backup strategies, ensuring data safety no matter what happens. Then comes performance tuning. A professional Linux admin doesn't just make systems work, they make them run fast and efficiently. You'll learn to analyze system load, manage memory, optimize disk usage, and tune kernel parameters for maximum performance. As you progress, version control systems like Git and configuration management tools like Ansible or Puppet become part of your daily workflow. These tools let you automate deployments and manage large server fleets consistently. Now, if you were wondering how to practice all of this, you don't need expensive hardware. You can create your own virtual lab using VirtualBox or VMware, or use cloud-based solutions like AWS Free Tier. Install different distributions, break things intentionally, and fix them. That's how real learning happens. When you start applying for Linux administration jobs, employers will look for your practical understanding more than just certifications. But certifications like LPIC1, CompTIA Linux, or a Red Hat Certified System Administrator or HCSA can definitely give you an edge. And here is the thing, being a great Linux admin, ISNT, just about knowing commands. It's about mindset. It's about being curious, analytical, and calm under pressure. You'll face real-time issues, servers crashing, logs flagging security incidents, but your ability to troubleshoot methodically will define your career. To summarize, the journey to becoming a pro Linux server administrator involves learning Linux fundamentals, mastering user and permission management, automating tasks with shell scripting, securing systems, monitoring performance, and embracing the cloud. It's a continuous learning path, but incredibly rewarding. So if you're ready to take your IT skills to the next level, start practicing today. Build your first server, set up an SSH connection, automate your first script. Every small step moves you closer to mastery. And if you want a detailed step-by-step guide to follow along, I've got something for you. Comment PDF below, and I'll send you a free downloadable version of this full Linux server administration roadmap. Thank you for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Your support helps us keep creating more free Linux and tech tutorials. Until next time, stay curious, keep learning, and keep exploring the world of open source.